How to fix Valorant custom resolution. So, if you are having problems with the resolution of your in-game, like the black lines in the top and bottom, or just an unfixed resolution, which is a bit uncomfortable to just see, there are two methods you can potentially help fix that. So first, you have CRU over here. You can go ahead and try downloading this. Just go ahead and search for custom resolution utility. You can go over here or the official. Just go ahead and search for that. There's on the first one or the official one. Go ahead and download. You can extract it if you'd like, and then just download and open the application. Once you open the application, just should be able to see something like this. So just go ahead and press on add. Once you press on add, you should be able to change the parameters of the detail resolution for horizontal and vertical. And you want to put it as your specific resolution for your desktop. So to do this, all you have to do, just go ahead and right click into your display settings, and in your display settings you should be able to see the display resolution and as the recommended one. So in the left you have the horizontal, and then for the right the vertical one. So in this case 1920 and 1080. All you have to do is put that in the horizontal, so 1980 and 1080 for your specific, since it is different. Once you do that, just go ahead and try restarting Valorant and see if it works. The other method is to just go ahead and change the toolbox of your Valorant game as false to fix the resolution. So just go ahead and press on Windows R and copy this. So has to be the same in order to open the actual file location. And once you do that, press on OK, and you should be able to find something like this. Press on the file with these random numbers and letters. Then once you're in there, press on Windows and then the game user settings. Right click on that and you should be able to see a edit option. Then inside that, just go ahead and replace this true word into false as so. Then you can just go ahead and save it, so to the file, and then press and save. Then go ahead back to Valorant after restarting and see if it works. And if it does, hopefully it can. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.